Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's start analyzing Bank Nifty. On daily chart, you can see that Bank Nifty is perfectly aligned for a breakout, and that breakout is above the market price of 32,400, and the support level is established at around 31,700 to 31,750. If I go to 15-minute chart and see how today's session went, as you can see, Bank Nifty was consolidating in the channel of and in and around 31,939 to 31,823, and after that, once the channel pattern was broken, you saw unprecedented bullish momentum, and the break now the consolidation is happening just near the breakout zone. You can spot many long wick candles on either side, though volumes have also expanded. That might be a byproduct of people booking their profit. If I again go to hourly chart and show you, you can see a lot of consolidation going on at a breakout zone. We have seen number of time when consolidation is happening near a breakout zone, and you see at least 2 to 3 candle on the lower side, which means that buying pressure is going to take precedence and sellers are going to be outgunned by buyers, maybe into next session or in coming session. So we are going to buy Bank Nifty above 32,400, and stop loss should be around 32,350. Now we will analyze Nifty 50. As you can see on the daily chart, today was a decent breakout day in Nifty 50 along with expansion of volumes. I will go to 15-minute chart and show you the kind of session we saw in Nifty 50. As you can see, there was fair bit of consolidation going on here, and then it was kind of a smooth selling. We did not see any long wick candle, which means that bullish momentum was spread throughout the session. There was no point in the session that you saw more or a larger bullish candle than you see in other times, which means that buyers are extremely confident at buying at a particular level, though we are yet to see a breakout which can just take Nifty 50 above 100 points in a matter of 5 to 10 minutes. That might happen in tomorrow's session, looking at the volume and the kind of consolidation in form of bullish momentum going on. So talking about buying, I will be buying Nifty 50 above the market price of 14,560, and I'll be setting my target around 14,519, around that. And for selling, you have to look for any price action which is showing that bullish momentum is dying out and sellers are taking precedent, and that should happen along or near about the support level which is established around 14,550. So you can sell below that, and the target should be around 14,520. That should be the first target, and the second target should be 14,500. So I hope you have understood all possible scenarios that I have analyzed for Bank Nifty and Nifty 50. It's time to see 4 stocks for tomorrow's session. First stock I have is ITC. So on daily chart, you can draw a trend line up to current market price. As you can see, support is established around 202, or we can also say round number of 200. If I go to hourly chart and show you the kind of momentum we are seeing here, every single dip is being used as an opportunity by buyers to buy a decent amount of quantity and then gradually increasing it. Hence, we can see huge bullish candles. If I go to 15-minute chart, the same bullish momentum can be seen in more detail in form of long wick candles. You can hardly see any long wick bearish candle. Here it is a bearish candle, but it is nothing more than outstanding buyers booking their profit. So in ITC, we are going to buy above the market price of 207, and I can easily see ITC going as high as 211, 212, or even 214 for that matter. Second stock we have is Wipro. On daily chart, you saw huge bullish momentum, though volumes have not expanded. If I go to weekly chart, you can see that same bullish momentum here, though volumes have not yet matched up to the levels that we should be seen when there is a huge bullish candle. That can be a result of previous day's bullish candle. Here you saw two back-to-back bullish candles. When you see a lot of bullish momentum in form of a huge bullish candle, a lot of buyers become skeptical that there might be a case of profit booking and we might see a reversal. Hence, buyers just sizing up the stock. If I go to hourly chart, you can see there was a consolidation around 450, and once that level was broken, within 2 hours you saw 10-point gain. If I go to 15-minute chart, same can be seen here. The level of 443 and the 450 was kind of a channel for most of the time during the session. Hence, the channel was broken. Buyers came in huge number. You see here the bearish candle. It is nothing more than buyers booking profit. Once again here, see, if Wipro has to go down, you could have seen retracement till here around 455, but you saw only small bearish candle, and then again price went up and took down the high, which means that, see this pattern, you see a bullish candle and then you see one or two or maybe multiple bearish candle which does not break this low, and next bullish candle takes down the high, which means that the overall sentiment is bullish. So we are going to buy Wipro above the market price of 461, and I can easily see Wipro going as high as 475 or even 480 for that matter. Third stock for tomorrow's session is Bharti Airtel. On daily chart, we can see huge bullish candles. Though volumes have not expanded, but I am pretty confident that more buyers are going to get excited after seeing this particular candle on daily chart, and hence they are going to load more quantity which can push the price in the vicinity of 580 to 585. If I go to hourly chart, just pay attention to this pattern which I just explained. Here is a bullish candle and there is a retracement. Retracement goes just around, or it does not break the low of this bullish candle, and then you see buyers coming in at lower level, and the next bullish candle you see it takes down the high of the previous bullish candle, which means that bullish momentum is firmly intact. You can see the similar pattern on 15-minute chart in more detail. So I just told you that tomorrow be ready for bullish momentum above market price of 570 in Bharti Airtel. Fourth stock we have is Tata Steel. Just look at this particular pattern here. There is a huge bullish candle, and once again you saw a retracement, though the low of this bearish candle broke the low of the bullish candle, but you see there is a wick. This bearish candle did not close below the low of this bullish candle, which means that bullish momentum is firmly intact here as well. If I go to hourly chart, you can see this in more detail. On top of that, we can also draw a pattern called a triangle pattern here. This is a trend line. This is a horizontal line and this is a vertical line. Triangle pattern is known to give exponential risk to reward ratio. So consider two things. This is a support level around 692 to 694, and we can see long wick candle. There are multiple candles spread across the chart, specifically hourly chart. So if you take into consideration triangle pattern plus long wick candle on the support level, hence retracement and breakout is going to happen, which will attract more buyers and the price can go as high as 705 or even 710. So these are the levels which I have found out through my analysis in aforementioned stocks. As I always say, you can cut down the target as per your convenience. If you are aggressive trader, you can go for all the targets. But most importantly, you have to trail your stop loss. That will ensure that you book your profit, number one, and number two, you give yourself an opportunity to uh, earn that additional momentum if there is any. I'm going to share this call in my Telegram channel as well. You can find the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.